What is going on? What type of activity it is?
8-minute challenge.
8-minute challenge. What challenge it is?
Modern periodic table.
Modern periodic table. You have to write without seeing that table. Yes, right. Next.
Ella block.
All block.
All block.
How many blocks are there?
4 blocks.
What are the 4 blocks?
S, P, D, F.
Okay. Who actually in the competition? Within the 8 minutes, how many of you finished? Raise your hand. Bharat. You also. Fancy. Priyadarshini. Nitisha. Okay. So. Okay. So according to you, judges, Fancy and Nitisha, and what's your name? Shakti, Mridulesha. Midhulan. Okay. What is your opinion? On what basis you are selecting a candidate?
Presentation time.
Presentation time.